Hello friends, today we are going to solve yet another numerical from the lesson solutions, Maharashtra State Board textbook, page number 37, problem 2.7. Let's begin. 3.795 grams of sulfur is dissolved in 100 grams of carbon disulphide. From this we can understand W2, that is mass of solute, and the solute is sulfur, is 3.795 grams. And W1, that is mass of solvent, the solvent is carbon disulphide, is 100 grams. This solution boils at 319.81 Kelvin. So solution is boiling, that is TB equals to 319.81 Kelvin. What is the molecular formula of sulfur in the solution? So what we have to find out is the molecular formula of sulfur in solution, that is SN. So basically what we have to find out is N number of atoms. How many atoms are coming together to form a molecule of sulfur? Boiling point of the solvent is given, that is carbon disulphide. Boiling point is 319.45 Kelvin. Kb is also provided in the question as well as is the atomic mass. So let's begin with the formula. Delta TB equals to TB minus TB naught. TB is 319.81 minus TB naught is 319.45. So when we are subtracting this, we get 11 minus 5, that is 6, 7 minus 4, that is 3, and here it is 0.36 Kelvin. Right? Let's go on to the next formula, that is M2. The molar mass of the solute will be equal to Kb upon delta TB into W2 upon W1 multiplied by 1000. Kb is the ebullioscopic constant which is provided in the question as 2.42. W2 is the mass of the solute which is 3.795 multiplied by 1000 divided by delta Tb which we have just found out, that is 0.36 Kelvin, multiplied by W1, that is mass of the solvent, which is 100. Now we can simply cancel off the zeros over here. Let's use log for this numbers. So before a decimal we are having one digit, so 1 minus 1, the characteristic is 0. Even for the next one, before decimal we have one digit, so 1 minus 1, characteristic is 0. There's a multiplication sign, so we'll be adding the logs, and for 0.36 the characteristic is bar 1, and we'll be subtracting this particular log over here. So let's take the log of 24 under 2, that is 3838. 37 under 9, mean difference 5 is 5792. Let us add 8 to 10, 13, 16, 9 and 0. The log of 36 is 5563. So now let's subtract this. 10 3 7, 12 6, that is 6. Then this one has to be 0 4. 0 minus bar 1 would give you a 1, and this is multiplied by 10 raised to 1, that is this one. So now we find out the antilog of the number 0.40 under 6, mean difference 7, and the antilog comes out to be 2551. Directly put a decimal after a digit into 10 to the power 1, this 1 over here, and again we have one more 10. So we get the value as 255.1, and the units are gram mole inverse. Next one, we have to find out the number of atoms in a molecule of sulfur. That means we have to find out N. So number of atoms would be equal to the molar mass of sulfur divided by the atomic mass of sulfur. Molar mass we have just found out, that is 255.1, and atomic mass is given in the question as 32. Let's use log 2 point, and here it will be 1 point. So the characteristic is 1 for 32, and the log of 25 under 5, mean difference 1, I'll take the same as 4067. The log of 32 is 5051. Let us subtract these two. 71610, 14 5 is 9, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we find out the antilog of the number 0.90 under 1 mean difference 6, which we get it as 7.973. And since these are number of atoms, we can't have a decimal, so we approximate it to the nearest whole number, that is 8. Therefore, the molecular formula for sulfur in carbon disulfide is S8. Hope you have understood the numerical. Thank you for watching my video.